everyone, this is Brishti and you are watching my channel Brishti Mojumdar. As you all my viewers know that we visited Switzerland's most beautiful location Grindelwald in the month of October this year. In previous videos I have shown my Grindelwald and Lauterbrunnen village trip experiences. But today I want to share our breathtaking Grindelwald first experience with you. So please watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel.
So today we are now at the first Burn station, from where we can take a gondola ride, I mean cable car. It will take us to the top of the first mountain, that is 2168 kilometers high. So let's go.
The journey up to the first is actually in 3 stages. You can get out at each stage if you want, or you can stay in your cable car as it very cleverly changes direction up to the top. The cable car was pretty amazing with the views of Mountain Eiger, Mountain Mock and Jungfrau Mountains, the 3 classic Swiss mountains, and it was about 25 minutes ride to first and we enjoyed it all the way. Grindelwald Fast is one of the top places to visit with family when you traveling to Grindelwald in Switzerland. As when you will reach at the top of the mountain, you will get not only the breathtaking amazing views but also several exciting activities and a popular hiking area with Bachal Z.
Welcome to the cliff walk. Come with me. Slowly. Be careful.
There is a pretty epic viewing point called the First Cliff Walk. It's pretty wild path. You can see through the floor and of course enjoy the incredible views all around. This is a metallic walkway hugging the side of the cliff and then projecting 45 meters over a sheer drop. If you are hungry, Not to worry, you can grab lunch at this beautiful restaurant with the amazing views on the first and then head out on the hike to Basalt Sea. The hike to Bachal Sea from Fast is 6 km round trip on a moderate incline. Although it is very simple hike, you are surrounded by the epic mountainscape for the entire journey. There is many moments too beautiful to pass by, and the 1 hour journey took us too, as we stopped too often, took pictures, played with snows. You can do the same. Just enjoy your surroundings because this is truly one of the most beautiful region on the planet. After 2.5 hours walking in the snow, finally we reached Bachal Sea. Bachal Sea is an alpine lake, beautiful lake. At an altitude of 2265 meters, and its reflective waters, snowy banks and mountain backdrop make it a perfect postcard quality photo. On the way down, you can find several exciting activities like fast glider, mountain cart, trotty bike and many more. But that day, the weather was so cold and windy, that's why we did only the cliff walk. But Asmi somehow managed to experience trotty bike ride on our way down the mountain.
What?
In a country where peace prevails in every corner, everything looks prettier, calmer, and wiser. That is Switzerland. Grindelwald first was our unexpected, truly amazing, extraordinary day trip from Grindelwald. Really, it's tough to find a place not to like in Switzerland. Life is sweeter in Switzerland. If you like my travel experiences in this video, please like and share this video to everyone. And yes, thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel.